The sun has risen, marking the start of another day. And today, we take a closer look at the microcosm of ICF creatives. We've happened upon the herd at their watering hole. Let's take a moment and observe. Digital architects, copywriters, designers, strategists, account team members working together to create products that change the world's behavior for the better. Like sharks, this team is constantly in motion because they know that momentum breeds brilliance, and brilliance starts here. A brainstorming session. It's truly... what's the word? The evolution continues as concepts become reality. ICF's habitat is built with every resource for creativity to thrive. Imagination never stops, day or night, here or there. Creative landscape is not limited to a desk or office. These nocturnal creatures are always ready to strike when an idea appears. A new morning arrives as the creative cycle continues. And that's how ICF makes big things possible every day.